The owners of Euclid Estates in Cleveland's Euclid Green neighborhood are the latest area landlords under fire for allowing their renters to live in uninhabitable conditions. While the building looks fine on the outside, the inside tells a different story. Residents had no heat for much of this past winter and deal with debris in the hallways, exposed wires hanging from the ceiling, and foul odors throughout the building. Most recently, residents reported their water was unexpectedly turned off. Then, management told tenants they had 30 days to vacate the property. But where are they supposed to go? Rent prices in Cleveland continue to rise. There are only 20 units in all of Cleveland listed in the same price range as Euclid Estates on rentcafe.com. Resident Rondalyn Radcliffe told Signal Cleveland that the Cuyahoga Metropolitan Housing Authority directed her to affordablehousing.com, where landlords accept Section 8 vouchers. But most of her calls to landlords have gone unanswered. Read the full story on Euclid Estates at signalcleveland.org.